In this video, I will show you how you can make $30 every 10 minutes and up to $180 each hour in this video. And for this strategy, you will be utilizing Google Translate. I just want to start off this video by noting that this method is not one of those transcribed ways and one that require you to create a blog post. This is a different method, a different means of generating money, and with this method you can actually make between $25 to $30 every 10 minutes. So let's do the math. If you use this website for about 5 hours each single day, you will be going to make around $900 a day, which is not that bad. Now before we start the video, I did like to mention that this method is completely free. Anyone can do this. All you need is to have a computer with internet access, and this means that you can potentially be making $180 using this method in an hour. And if you want to earn money online, I strongly advise you, if you want to maximize your chances of making money online, subscribe to this channel because I post 24 videos every single week with different money making techniques you can use to work from home. And if you are not subscribed, I might post a video tomorrow or next week that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you have subscribed to my channel, let's get started. I am currently on Google Translate website, which is one you want to go. All you have to do to access it, as most of you probably already know, is type translate into the Google, at which point a window similar to this will appear. To access the full website, simply click Google Translate here or at the bottom. The full website will then be displayed to you to browse. So once you are on the Google Translate website, all you have to do is to translate something. If you don't know how to use it, select the language you want to translate into. For example, if you want to translate something from English to Spanish, I would simply type in hello and it will be converted into Spanish phase hola. So now that you have know how to translate things really easy, you can go straight forward. All you have to do is now we're going to go to the CPA Grip, which is a website that I adore, and I really like it because it is really simple to use to make money. And you see, all you have to do is copy your affiliate link from some of the actions that I will give you inside this website, and whenever someone does something like click a link or put an email, you are going to be earning money from that. So it is really that simple to make money using this website, and basically anyone around the world can do this. And you have to do is register for this. So click register. I have already registered to this website, so it already took me to the dashboard. But all you have to do to register for this website is you need an email address and you need your name, and I think you need a phone number, but I'm not really sure. But it's pretty much easy and straightforward, and I think it's username and password and the phone number. That's it. If I remember correctly, it was the video that I mentioned in my YouTube shorts. So you want to know how to register for this website and want to see a step-by-steps of me doing it, so just go and check out that video at the end of this one. So one of the things that you're going to be able to see as soon as you log into this website is that it's going to show you all the people that are making tons of money. And I can tell you from my personal experience that I know people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month using this website. So once you're in the dashboard, here are some of the top performing offer that you want to check out. But what I'm going to demonstrate today is how you can use this website to make a lot of money in a slightly different way. So what you have to do is go to the offer tools and click my offer. And here you can see that you could earn more than $2 per offer. So one thing that I am sure not many people are aware of is the need to use top paying nations with high value offers. To illustrate what I mean, let's switch to this France, Italy and Spain. So as you can see, France has a payout of $12, which is significantly higher than $2 per offer. We just saw from the United States, the reason they have this because not many people are using these countries to make money. So they want to pay more money to incentivize people to start using their website in their country. There's a lot of people using it into the United States, but not many people using it in France. So they want to incentivize you to start using this in France as well, for you to carry out their order in Spain. So when you look at this website, you may notice that Spain is not a very highest paying country. If you go look at the highest paying country, you can look for Sweden, Portugal, and I don't know, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to promote an offer from Spain, because people don't speak Spanish and they don't promote things in Spanish because they don't speak other languages, and for that reason most people only want to promote the English offers. And this is where the opportunity for you lies. So what you want to do is get your affiliate link. Is you are going to click this offer here. Let's say you click the first offer. In this case, they are inviting you to enter credit card information to win their offer, and for every person who does, they will give you a prize and you are going to earn $12. Okay, so now you want to choose a domain for the tracking domain. You could just choose this one, and this is going to be your affiliate link. So whenever someone make a purchase, in this case it's not purchasing, so whenever they submit their credit card for the purpose of winning, you will get the dollar amount here, and this is your affiliate link that you will use to promote that offer. And now what you have, your affiliate link, copy it and write it down somewhere so you don't lose it. So your link is currently very long. So what you want to do is you want to go to tinyurl.com and shorten it to make it more appealing for people to click. Okay, so let's just see if the offer is called get a new iPhone 14. Okay, so what people are going to do is they're going to click the link to win a free iPhone. So let's try to put a Google Spanish to English. So what you want to be writing this in a Spanish, because Spanish people are going to be seeing this. So you copy the link, copy to the tiny URL. So create a new shortened link, enter the long URL here, and you're going to put your affiliate link, just copy and paste it here. So now you get your shortened link. So you want to copy this link and keep it saved somewhere. So now you have shortened this link. What you want to do is you want to head to this website over here, copy the link, save it somewhere like I show you. So you want to head off this website here. As you remember, on this website our offer here is going to be paying us 12 for each person that put their credit card into their offer, and then when they're going to get their money. So in this website I'm going to show you right now, it's going to be guaranteed that you're going to be get 1,000 visitors to your offer. So not all of them are going to be completing your offer. So let's say 10 of those people complete your offer. So let's open the calculator. So 1,000 people minus 10, this is 100 people. So let's say 100 people complete your offer, and this is 12 multiplied 100, so it's $1,200. So you're going to be making about $1,200. So if you have at least 100 people that click your offer and enter their credit card number to sign up for free iPhone, so you want to go to the website called trafficbar.com. So in this ad, a website, what you want to do is you want to copy your link from tinyurl. Go ahead and copy that link. You want to paste it here. So this is your affiliate link with the name your offer, which you get a new iPhone, right? So you want to get to add it here and click add website. So you want to add where the people with translate come into play. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the Google and copy this. You want to put this in here, your title, and so it's only let you do like a small amount here. So let's copy it and paste now. So you're going to be add your ad. So this is what it's going to be look like. So what is the language of your ad and website? You want to put this in Spanish, and when you, because you are doing our ad in Spanish, so when you want to put Spanish here in here, this country that you want to advertise in, you want to type Spain, Okay, so you are giving one extra credit. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to go back here and you want to save this, and it's going to post your ad into the network. And after you are done, you want to click save. It's going to be saving your ad into the network, and every time someone performs this action that you told them to do, you will get $12. So that's it for this video.